Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something that might just change the way you write code forever. If you're a developer, you know the drill. Juggling multiple windows, endlessly searching Stack Overflow, and spending hours debugging tiny errors. It's a process filled with friction. What if I told you there's a new tool that aims to smooth out those rough edges, making development feel less like a chore and more like a creative flow? Well, get ready, because today we're exploring the incredible power of Claude Code 2.0. So, what's all the buzz about? At its core, Claude Code 2.0 is Anthropic's latest leap forward in AI-assisted development. It's not just another code completion tool. This is a comprehensive coding partner, supercharged by the new Sonnet 4.5 model, which is designed to be faster and smarter than ever before. But the real game changer is how it's integrated directly into your workflow. Anthropic has released a brand new Visual Studio Code extension that brings all this power right into the editor you already know and love. This isn't about switching to a new, unfamiliar environment. It's about enhancing the one you're already in, making it more intuitive and powerful. Let's start with one of my favorite features, Plan Mode. How many times have you jumped straight into coding, only to realize halfway through that your initial architecture was flawed? Plan Mode is designed to prevent exactly that. Before you write a single line of code, you can use it to map out your entire application. Think of it as a brainstorming session with a brilliant architect. You can describe your project, and Claude will help you outline the application architecture, define the data models, and even structure the component hierarchy. It's like building a detailed blueprint. This initial planning phase saves countless hours of refactoring down the line and ensures your project starts on a solid foundation. It helps you think through the entire system before committing to code, which is an invaluable practice for any serious developer. Now, once you have your plan, it's time to build. And this is where the magic really happens. Claude Code 2.0 isn't just a passive assistant. It's an active participant in your development process. One of the coolest functionalities is its ability to handle background tasks. Imagine this. You're working on a web application. You can ask Claude to start the development server for you, right from the chat interface. While the server is running in the background, you can continue coding, but what if an error pops up? Normally, you'd have to stop what you're doing, check the terminal, find the error, and then go back to your code to fix it. With Claude, the error message appears directly in the chat, and it doesn't just show you the error. It offers an automated fix. With a single click, you can apply the suggestion and get right back to work. This seamless loop of coding, testing, and fixing, all within one interface, is a massive productivity booster. It keeps you in the zone, minimizing context switching and maximizing your flow state. But it gets even better. We all know that modern development isn't just about writing back-end logic. It's also about building beautiful, functional user interfaces. This is where another groundbreaking feature comes into play. Powered by something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. This protocol allows Claude to do more than just read and write code. It can actually interact with other tools on your machine. For example, it can control your web browser. You can ask it to open a specific web page, interact with UI elements, and perform automated UI testing. You could say, test the login flow by entering a valid username and password, and then verify that the user is redirected to the dashboard. Claude will literally perform these actions in a browser window and report back on the results. This is huge for front-end developers and QA engineers. You can also use it for rapid design iterations. You can describe a change you want to see, like make the primary button bigger and change its color to blue, and watch it happen in real time. It's like having a designer and a QA tester built right into your editor. With all these powerful dynamic features, you might be wondering how to keep your project organized and consistent. Large projects can quickly become a tangled mess if there isn't a single source of truth for your architectural decisions. Claude Code 2.0 addresses this with the concept of architectural files. You can create a dedicated file, maybe an architecture, MD file, where you define the core principles, design patterns, and high-level structure of your project. By instructing Claude to always reference this file, you ensure that any code it generates or any suggestions it makes will align with your established guidelines. This is crucial for maintaining code quality and consistency, especially when working in a team. It ensures that everyone, including your AI partner, is on the same page, following the same rules, and contributing to a cohesive, well-structured code base. Of course, no development process is perfect. We all make mistakes. We go down a path, realize it's a dead end, and need to backtrack. Traditionally, this means a lot of git reset or manually undoing changes. Claude introduces a much more elegant solution, the rewind feature. If you find that the direction you've taken isn't working out, you can simply rewind the project state. This isn't just a simple undo. It intelligently reverts the changes that were made, allowing you to step back to a previous stable state without losing your entire history. It's like having checkpoints in a video game. You can experiment freely, knowing that if you mess up, you can instantly go back to a point where things were working perfectly. This encourages experimentation and reduces the fear of breaking things, which ultimately leads to more innovative solutions. So let's put it all together. What does a full development lifecycle with Claude Code 2.0 look like? It starts with an idea. You use plan mode to flesh out that idea into a concrete architectural blueprint. Then you move into the building phase, where Claude helps you generate boilerplate code, set up your development environment, and run background tasks like servers and tests. As you code, it provides intelligent suggestions and auto-fixes errors as they appear, keeping you in a state of deep focus. For the front end, you use its browser control capabilities to perform UI testing and iterate on designs in real time. Throughout the entire process, your architectural files ensure consistency and quality. And if you ever take a wrong turn, the rewind feature is there to get you back on track. From the initial scaffolding all the way to a production-ready application, Claude Code 2.0 acts as a true partner, streamlining every single step. In conclusion, Claude Code 2.0, with its powerful Sonnet 4.5 model and seamless VS Code integration, represents a significant evolution in AI-assisted development. It's not just about writing code faster. It's about creating a more intuitive, integrated, and enjoyable development experience. By handling the tedious, repetitive tasks, it frees up developers to focus on what they do best, solving complex problems and building amazing things. Whether you're a solo developer working on a passion project or part of a large team building an enterprise-level application, this tool has the potential to fundamentally improve your workflow. The future of coding is collaborative, and it looks like our new favorite collaborator might just be an AI. That's all for today's deep dive. I'm incredibly excited to see how tools like this will shape the future of software development. What do you think? Are you excited to try out Claude Code 2.0? What feature are you most looking forward to? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on the latest in tech and development. I'll see you in the next one.